In the ancient land of India, there once lived a group of sages who were deeply connected with the spiritual world. They spent their days meditating and studying the stars, seeking to understand the mysteries of the universe. These sages were known as the rishis, and their knowledge and wisdom would give birth to one of the oldest forms of astrology in the world, Vedic Astrology. Vedic astrology, also known as Jyotish, is said to have been founded by the rishis over 5,000 years ago. They believed that everything in the universe was interconnected, and that the positions of the planets and stars at the time of a person's birth could reveal important information about their life and destiny. Over time, the rishis began to develop a complex system of astrology based on the movements of the celestial bodies and their influence on human life. They created detailed charts and calculations to map out the positions of the planets and stars at the moment of a person's birth, and used this information to make predictions about their future. As the knowledge of Vedic astrology spread throughout India, it began to evolve and adapt to different cultures and traditions. In the centuries that followed, Vedic astrology became an important part of Indian culture, used by kings, scholars, and ordinary people alike to make important decisions and navigate the complexities of life. There are several key concepts that are central to Vedic astrology. One of the key principles is the concept of karma, the belief that a person's actions in this life will affect their future lives. According to Vedic astrology, the positions of the planets and stars at the time of a person's birth are a reflection of their past karma, and can provide insight into their future karma as well. Another important concept in Vedic astrology is Kal Purush, also known as the eternal being of time or cosmic man. According to Vedic astrology, the universe is said to be the body of Kal Purusha, with different parts of the body corresponding to different zodiac signs. The current position of time is also an important concept in Vedic astrology. The term Samay Kal Sthiti acknowledges the importance of time and its influence on our lives. In Vedic astrology, the positions of the celestial bodies at the time of a person's birth are believed to determine their destiny, and the current position of time can be used to make predictions about future events or guide decision-making. Vedic astrology is divided into 3 branches or skandhas, each with its own unique focus. In this video, we will explore each skandha in detail and see how they are used in astrology. Siddhanta. The first skandha of Vedic astrology is Siddhanta, which deals with mathematical calculations and astronomical principles used to determine the positions of celestial bodies. Astronomy. Siddhanta deals with the study of celestial bodies, their positions, movements, and their relation to the earth. It provides a mathematical basis for the calculations that are used in Hora and Sanhita. Time measurement. Siddhanta also deals with the measurement of time, such as the length of a day or year. This is crucial for calculating the positions of the planets and for making predictions. Mathematics. Siddhanta uses mathematical formulas and calculations to determine the position of celestial bodies accurately. Siddhanta lays the foundation for the other 2 skandhas and focuses on astronomy, time measurement, and mathematics. Hora. The second skandha of Vedic astrology is Hora, also known as the signs of time. Hora focuses on the signs of time, calculating the positions of planets and their influences on human lives. Hora is used to determine auspicious times for starting new ventures or making important decisions, and to analyze a person's birth chart to determine their strengths, weaknesses, and future possibilities. Hora deals with the following topics: birth chart analysis. Hora uses a person's birth chart, also known as a horoscope or natal chart, to determine the positions of the planets at the time of their birth. This chart is then used to analyze the person's personality, strengths, weaknesses, and future possibilities. Planetary positions. Hora uses the positions of the planets to predict future events and to determine auspicious times for various activities such as starting a business or getting married. Planetary influences. Hora also examines the influences of the planets on human lives, such as their effects on health, career, relationships, and overall well-being. Sanhita. Sanhita is the branch of Vedic astrology that deals with the practical applications of astrology in daily life. It is used to predict the weather, the outcome of wars, and the future of individuals or nations. Sanhita is also used to determine the best times for performing various rituals and ceremonies. Sanhita deals with the following topics. Mundane astrology. Sanhita uses astrology to predict events on a larger scale, such as weather patterns, political events, and the outcome of wars. Astrological remedies. Sanhita provides remedies for various problems based on astrological principles, such as using gemstones or performing certain rituals at specific times. Muhurta. Sanhita is used to determine the best times for performing various activities such as getting married, starting a business, or traveling. This is done by analyzing the positions of the planets and finding the most auspicious times. Vedic astrology is a complex system of knowledge that has been passed down for centuries. But to truly understand it, one must first have a grasp of Vedanga, the 6 auxiliary texts that provide the necessary tools and knowledge for studying and interpreting the divine knowledge of the Vedas. These 6 Vedangas cover various aspects of Vedic studies such as pronunciation, grammar, meter, etymology, astronomy, astrology, and rituals, providing a comprehensive framework for the study and interpretation of the Vedas. The first Vedanga is Shiksha, or phonetics, which deals with the correct pronunciation and accentuation of Vedic texts. Next is Vyakaran, or grammar, which covers the rules of grammar and syntax used in the Vedic texts. The third Vedanga is Chanda, or metrics, which deals with the poetic meters used in the Vedic texts. The fourth Vedanga is Nirukta, or etymology, which deals with the interpretation of Vedic words and their meanings. The fifth Vedanga is Jyotish, or astronomy, which deals with the study of celestial bodies and their movements. Finally, there's Kalpa, or rituals and procedures, which deals with the procedures and rituals used in Vedic ceremonies and sacrifices. Together, these 6 Vedangas provide a comprehensive framework for the study and interpretation of the Vedas, and are essential for understanding the complex system of Vedic astrology. By studying and mastering these Vedangas, one can gain a deeper understanding of Vedic astrology and its practical applications in daily life. If you are interested in exploring your own birth chart or receiving guidance and insights from a professional astrologer, be sure to visit astrosawal.com or download our app. We offer online astrology consultation that can help you gain a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. We look forward to helping you find answers to your most important questions in life.